Welcome to Anthropology 7 at Laney College, the class Magic, Religion and Witchcraft. My name is Carlos Miguel Basua Morales. I will be your instructor for this semester of the fall of 2018. I'm happy to be here introducing our webpage and our Canvas course. Please take a moment to be familiar with the site, as the class will be conducted entirely through the online format. Right here we have our home page. You have on your left side of your screens different tabs that will take you to different parts of our Canvas page. We have home, announcements, modules, assignments, discussions, quizzes, collaborations, peoples, your grades, Google Drive, access to the Laney Library, and Office 360 and a class notebook in case you need to use it. For the moment being, please take a time to scroll with me down your screen so you can see our different modules here in our home page. Do not click in any module for the moment. Let's just scroll down and learn how our page has been organized. As you scroll down your page, you will see that we have different tabs for announcements, for the syllables, and for the modules. My advice is not to press in any right now. We're just keeping scrolling down to see what are the themes that we will be exploring through the modules. As we scroll down, we can see that the first images here are the images from the required textbook. Each student will have to have access to this textbook in any of its editions. Please be advised that the information of the textbook is only complementary to the passing of this class. As you scroll down, you see that our first tab is the unit Orientation and Student Resources. This is where the link to this video is at. You will have to complete this video in order to begin the following units. Our next unit, once you completed this video and navigated the sites, you'll see that we have the anthropological study of religion. Week by week we will go down through these units. Let's keep scrolling down. Our first unit will be the anthropological study of religion. Our second unit will be chapter 2, mythology. Through week 3, we'll get to chapter 3, religious symbols. As we keep scrolling down, you'll see that there are many pictures and different links to videos. Please take a time to explore these pictures and these videos. As we keep scrolling down, we'll get to chapter 4, ritual. In each of the units, you see that I have placed the learning objectives. This is an introductory video. We'll review the learning objectives of each unit at a later time. I will also address the diverse images that I have chosen to include for our online class. As we keep scrolling down, we get to chapter 5, Altered States of Consciousness. Please keep scrolling down the images, and we see that we arrive to chapter 6, Religious Specialist, chapter 7, Magic and Divination, chapter 8, Souls and Ghosts and Death. This picture is one of my favorites. I hope I get a little bit of your attention for the moment into seeing how all of this image relates to the theme of the anthropological study of religion. Here, what we have here is a perfect example of the dramatic cultural change that has taken in the way that we perceive ancestor worshipping. This is a skull that adorned the Tzompantli and the family shrine of the ancient Mexica, or as you will learn about them, the Aztecs. But let's keep scrolling down our page to chapter 9, Gods and Spirits. Then we have chapter 10, Witchcraft. We keep scrolling down and we get to chapter 11, The Search for New Meaning. These are the diverse units that we will be completing throughout the fall of 2018, here in this class of Anthropology 7, Magic, Religion and Witchcraft. Please, let's take a moment to scroll back up to the video, to the end of the video introduction. Right here we go back to our home page, and the first orientations, we can see that I can click in our first unit, the anthropological study of religion. When I click there, different assignments appeared. The first one is basically the assignments we will have to complete through the first week. We have reached the end of our introductory section 1. Thank you very much.